Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Kasim. Welcome to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. On today's video, I would like to share with you how I was able to profit about over $100 just on this Apple trade today. So with this YouTube channel, at the moment I'm focusing on technical analysis and my trading setup. And this is the trading setup that I use. This is the moving average. This is a 200-day moving average. This is the 20-day moving average. And these candles right here, these are Heikin-Ashi candles. This is not give me a second here. This is not the regular candle, right? You can trade with this, but I don't like to trade with it because it's a lot of noise that goes on with this candle, and right here, a lot of noise that goes on with this candle. So I don't like trading with this candle because it really don't tell you much. It don't tell you what's going on in the market. I highly recommend you use the Heikin-Ashi candle. It's a lot easier on the eye. It's great. And if you do not know what this is, you can look at my previous video that I talked about how I trade using this particular system. But what I wanted to talk about in this video today is about shorts, right? When you see opportunities to short a stock, how do you use this particular system to short it? And I'm going to show you my reasoning behind it and my numbers, how this is actually helping me to make money in the market. So today is so this is Apple trade right here. So at around 9:30, 9:40 or so, I saw this pattern form. So this pattern forming here, to me, it's saying a couple of things. Let's do some technical analysis here. So it's saying a couple of things right here. When a pattern like this forms, what it tells me is that this is what I'm looking at right here. This is what I'm looking at right here. So if the current price keep going above and it breaks this previous one, let's say this is where you were looking at it from, which is where I started looking at it, which was around 9:30 or so in this morning. So it's trying to go up here. It really couldn't break. Same thing happened here. It really didn't break. The trend change, and what we have here is like a double bottom basically, and price just keep on going down, right? So to me, this is telling me that right at this point, I'm looking at a short opportunity. So what I would do is just move this right here, because this is now the current resistance. So when price broke, I'm sorry, this is the current support. When price broke right here, I didn't think about it. I just entered a short right here, and I took this trade. I took it all the way. Give me a second here. I took it all the way here, and you know me, at the moment I'm just playing it really safe. I just go in with one or two contracts, get a little piece of the market, and I'm done for the day. That's how I'm using the system. Just for the moment. In the future, I'm gonna scale up, but right now, this is what my budget is, because I have a budget for trading. This is money that I'm willing to lose. When you're trading in the stock market, you have to understand the reality that you can lose money, and you have to be able to lose money, right? So when you put your money at risk in terms of day trading, there's a huge chance that you might actually lose, which does happen. So that's that. let me get back into the trade real quick. So I entered the trade from right about here. I took it all the way down. I got out right here when the sorry about that. I got out right here, as you can see. This was a 1.3% gain. I got out right here when the price changed. As you can see, the 200 is it changed color to green, and yeah, I got out right here, and this is the trade. Let's go ahead and show you. Let me give me a second here. Let me pull up the trade. So right here was the trade. Around 9:40, got into it with one contract, and I exited the trade around 12:50. So it's a great trade. Nothing to it, and this is what I was able to extract from the market today. Not bad if you do this a couple of times a week. You know, it can replace some jobs. And as you can see, it was a very clean trade from here all the way to here. It was a very clean trade. This is what you called a short, right? When you're placing the position that the market is going to go down, so you bet, yeah, not bet, you place a trade that that the market is going down, and you enjoy the trade. Now, the other part is, how did I know when to get out of the trade, right? Because it's not just only important to know when to get in, you also want to know when to get out, because you don't want to be on the wrong side of the trade. Now, when the trade came back down, first of all, it formed a low here, right? So we know this is where the bottom is for the day. It's the lowest price of the day. It tried to go up, it couldn't really break, and then it came back down. And then once I start seeing this strong bullish candle right here, strong candle right here, I decided to get out right here. And at the same time, the 20 moving average changed color, and as you can see, it was a great trade. So this is how I use this system to trade the market, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Now, a little disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in the market. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just sharing my trading system. This is the trading system I came up with. It's an effective, basic, easy to use trading system. The one that I personally use is a little bit more complicated. This is what I personally use, but for the sake of YouTube, we'll just make it easy, and I'm showing something like this, right? So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, give the video a like, and follow my Instagram if you want to follow my trades on a daily basis and see what I'm doing and how I do it. You know, every day I play the market. Every day that the market is open, I play the market, and I'm trying to take down little money like this. You know, 40, 50, 100, $100 every single day from the market, and that's what I'm trying to do. Please follow my IG. This is my IG right here. Follow my IG to see what trades I'm making on a daily basis. And yeah, this is. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.